Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, all signs. So this is your message and energy check-ins, reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yeah, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. And kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, you can message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? And yes, if you're interested pagdating sa pagpapareading no sa dito sa aking friend, yan, message lang po siya sa kanya pong FB page. Ito yan. Okay? So, 'di ba? Perception of light. Yan ang gusto niya, yan ang gusto niya eh. Okay. So, wait lang. Baka maubo ako. Okay. So, ano pa ba? Yes. So, regarding sa ating bracelet. So, yeah. Always available in red and black. So, this is the all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet. Okay? So, may tanong po pagdating dito. Message lang po no, sa atin pong FB page for more info. And yes, regarding doon sa ring, yan. Malapit na dumating yun. Oh, and yes, limited slots lang po tayo doon sa ring, no? Kasi, yeah, I can't pa. I can't. Oh, 'di ba? May pag-ubo. So, excuse me. Okay. So, air signs. Yeah, let's start. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Anong meron for you? Messages, energy check-ins, and predictions. Okay. So, siguro mga 1 linggo tayong ganito yung boses ko hanggang sa maka-recover ako totally, no? Sana, oo, maging mapagpasensya kayo kasi kailangan. Baka ako maubos ang pasensya. Di, joke lang. Okay. So, okay. Air signs. Temperance. O, diba? Pasensya. O, diba? Ito yun. Okay, ano ba to? Yeah, the Three of Swords. Meron makikipag-ayos. Air signs. Pwedeng Sagittarius. Pwedeng air sign din like you. Okay, so this is being patient. Okay, avoid arguments. Avoid drama. Avoid conflict. Okay? So, just balance, no? Balansehin lamang kung anong mga dapat, no? Hindi dapat sobra, hindi dapat kulang, no? So, the Seven of Swords, the Chariot, okay? So, may mga tao na pinapanood kung papaano ka mag-progress. And they are sobrang tahimik. Oo, they're like looking, being sneaky, silently watching you. Okay? Some of them, sabihin nating hinahangaan ka lang talaga. Okay? Hinahangaan ka ng mga to. Yeah, the Four of Coins. Strength. Yeah. Some of you, pagdating sa kaperahan, may mangyayaring another plan, no? Another plan, another actions, lalo na in the near future. Okay? So, nakakita ko rito ng parang, ito specific, nakakita po ako rito ng parang secret getaway. I don't know kung ano yun. Parang may lakad, mga patago. Uy, may nakikita ako ditong tanan. Oo. Okay, may mga anak-anak kayo dyan, dala-dalaga, binabinata, oo. Meron ditong tanan, may magtatanan. Sana wala. Ooh, see? The Lovers. I told you. Ooh! Diba? So, yeah. Sana wala. Okay. So, some of you, meron ditong mga third party, no? Oo, na parang ay may pagkikita ritong mangyayari pagdating diyan. So, para silang nakatago, and ang nakikita ko whenever you caught them, no? Andyan yung parang magagalit pa yung someone. Parang ang tawag doon, parang may pagka-narcissist, no? May gaslight na mangyayari. Okay? So, there. Yeah, that's all. Okay. So, next is excuse me, fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. Anong meron for fire signs? Hang on. Okay. Oo naman, syempre. Kaya ko po kinat yun kasi umubo ako ng bongga. Alam nga namang umubo ako ng ganito lang, no? Iniubo lahat ng iuubo. Fire signs. Anong meron? Okay. Oops. So, yan. Okay. Ano bang meron? The Four of Swords in reverse. Oh! The five. The Ace of Swords in reverse. So, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 of Swords in reverse. There is like, sabihin natin, a conversation na kailangan hindi mo akrahan, salihan. Why? To avoid conflict. Fire signs, okay? To avoid arguments, to avoid conflict. Okay? Some of you, meron kayong mga parang iniisip-isip. And, iwasan yung pag-overthink. Kasi overthinking may lead to sabihin natin kung ano-ano na hindi magiging okay as a result. Okay? So, 6 of Cups. Oh, there's a past person's energy here. Ooh. Meron kang dalawang ace dito, both in reverse. Why? You need to forget lahat ng nag-end. Dahil hindi makapasok, hindi maging upright tong dalawa. Lahat naka-reverse, meaning this is delay. Okay? Lahat ng nangyari sa past, excuse me, kailangan na kunyari, may nangyari ng ending, kailangan na magtapos yun. Kailangan na mag-end yun, totally. Para makausad, para pumasok. Sayang to. Yeah, the Four of Wands in reverse. Your stability, this is your stability. Okay? Some of you, there's a past person always thinking of you. Okay? Always. Hindi na nila magawa yung mga dapat nilang gawin sa mga buhay-buhay nila. A lot of delays. Yeah, the Star in reverse. Okay? So, it's like a failure. Okay? Meron ditong past person. Isa lang ang naka-upright dito. Energy ng past mo. Meaning, parang iniisip ka pa rin niya, ikaw lang yung kulang para maging okay yung buhay niya. Pwede maging vice versa. Okay? Kung sa tingin mong ikaw to, parang siya lang yung kulang. Pero kung hindi ikaw, yung past person mo to, siya yung nag-iisip ng ganito sa'yo. Ikaw na lang yung kulang pagdating sa kanya. Wala tayong masisisi. Sumama siya sa iba. Yes, kahit sabihin natin ganun, ikaw ang tumatakbo sa utak ng taong to ngayon. lahat ng nangyayari sa kanya, isinisisi niya sa mga maling desisyon niya noon. I'm sorry, cross-watcher, if you're a past person ng isang fire sign. Pero syempre, huwag kang magko-comment. Oo, mapapaghalataan tayo. Ha? Okay? So, yeah, wala akong nakikita rito na energy mo. Ha? Ibang energy to, fire sign. Hindi mo to energy. Hindi mo to energy. Yes. Nung nawala ka sa buhay nila daw, wala nang mangyaring maganda. Yun ang nakikita ko sa kanila. Well, okay, so there. They miss you a lot. A lot. Next, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Anong message for you? Okay. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. The Sun in reverse. Excuse me. So, what's with the Sun in reverse? Agad-agad. Anong meron? Water signs. The Nine of Coins in reverse. Are you sad? Sad being single. Specific yun ha. Hindi yun para sa lahat. Some of you, confusion ang nakikita ko dito. There is an earth sign, a Leo, who is so confused pagdating sa mga responsibilities. Pwedeng meron ditong parang upset. Okay? Dahil, I don't know, if you're doing your thing, your part. Water signs. Ha? Okay? The Lovers. Strength. Yeah, there's partnership here. So, I think, parang may nakukulangan dito. Okay? Someone is too focused on other things. While yung isa is kawawa. Gumagaod solo. No? Yeah, the Queen of Wands. Meron ditong sobrang insecure pagdating sa sarili. Sinong insecure dito? Yeah. Siyempre, walang magsasabi. Pasensya na po ha sa boses ko. The World. Some of you may babaguhin pagdating sa physical looks in the near future. And I'm predicting na may mangyayaring ganyan, like big operations, may papabago sa physical looks. Some of you, because of the insecurities. Okay. Yeah. Big transformation coming for water signs. Yeah. I think bago matapos ang taon or simula ng 2024, there's a big changes coming for you, water signs. Okay? So there. Next. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. How are you? How are you, the Earth signs? Kumusta naman ang mga Earth signs? So, I guess, next week, hindi na sana tayo ganito, no? Yung boses natin. Yeah. Okay. Anong meron for Earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Okay. Ten of Swords. Temperance. Parang ano like, excuse me, energy dito na parang sobrang pasensyosa. Kahit ilang beses nang nasaktan, ilang beses na like, kayang magbigay ng another chance after chance after chance. Meron ditong person who is waiting. Okay, a Sagittarius, an air sign. Kung sino man itong naghihintay na to, meron kayong separation na nangyari or ending. Hinihintay ka niya. I don't know why. Ooh, the King of Cups. So, some of them, meron pa rin. Yeah, sabihin natin, may spot pa rin, no? Like, pagdating sa heart nila, meron ka pa rin dung room for them. Room, no? Sa kanilang puso. Yeah, they still have emotions for you. Still. That's why. Yeah, the Five of Swords in reverse. Someone is in love. Someone still in love. Pagdating sa Earth signs. Pero, nandun yung sabihin nating low-key. Low-key loving you. Low-key. Low-key, no pressure. Just hang with me and my weather. Okay, yeah. The Queen of Coins. Meron ditong person na parang nahuhulog dahil sobrang bait. Meron ditong sobrang bait. Sobrang available as always. Yeah. Pero hindi yung pagmamahal na nangyayaring to, parang nang backstab siya. I don't know why. Yeah, the Nine of Coins, universe. You're always, this is your energy. You're always present, always available for them. So that is why, okay, nagiging soft sila pagdating sa'yo, nagkakaroon ng emosyon. Okay? Some of you, this is your past, or sabihin natin if this is someone new, yeah, they're getting to like you. Yeah. Pero nandito yung sabihin nating binabalanse lang nila. So sabi ko nga, like, they're like low-key loving you. I don't know why. Yeah, the Nine of Swords in reverse. So I guess they're like avoiding tension, avoiding overthinking, like that, no? Avoiding kung ano man ang pwedeng i-avoid. Parang ganyan. I don't know. Okay? Pero ang malinaw dito, yeah, they have something. They have emotions pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, yeah, ang sinasabi lang din dito is pagdating sa kaperahan mo, maganda. Okay? May mga mabibili in the future. Some of you, medyo pricey pa ang mabibili na to. Okay? Mga bayarin, mababayaran. There is no problem pagdating sa inyo, mga earth sign, when it comes to kaperahan. Okay? O, diba nawawala na yung boses ko? So, yeah, there. Yun ang ating reading for all signs. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Follow. Don't forget. Bye. Thank you.